Okay, so today I want to talk to you about how to keep the stuff in your day pack dry. Now, lots of day packs come with the covers that go over the top of them if it starts raining. Now, the only problem with those is, yes, it protects the front of the bag, but actually a lot of the water from the rain is going to run down your back and then go through the back of the rucksack. So your stuff in there is still going to get wet. The other problem with the covers that go over the top is if it's really windy, they just flap around and make a load of noise. So what I do is get myself a rucksack liner like this, which I can then put inside the bag itself. Load everything I want into the rucksack liner, seal the rucksack liner up nice and tight at the top, make sure it's sealed and dry, and then obviously then anything in my bag is going to stay completely dry. The rucksack's going to get wet, but actually everything that's important is inside that dry bag in the bag itself. So at the bottom of this video, I'll put a link to where you can get yourself one of these, but they're a great thing to have to make sure your stuff stays dry, because the things that you're carrying are things like your cameras and stuff like that, and they're certainly things you don't want to get wet whilst you're on your trek. So that's my tip for today. Get yourself a dry bag liner for your rucksack and use that instead of one of the covers that goes over the top. But that's it from me this week.